Are you ready to witness the future of content creation? Then hold on to your seats, because here comes the game changer. Introducing Scalenut's Cruise Mode that helps generate 1,500+ word articles and blog posts in less than 5 minutes. From planning and research to writing, editing, and meeting SEO standards, Cruise Mode has you covered at every step. Cruise Mode empowers you to create high-performing content in record time, so you can focus on what truly matters. Why do you need Cruise Mode? Easy and guided workflow. Produces content at blazing fast speed. Comprehensive support in all phases of content creation. Facilitates the growth mindset. To use Cruise Mode, locate Article Writer on your dashboard and click on Create. Add your target keyword. Select the top 10, 20, or 30 URL for content benchmarking and select a location. Click on Start. Once you are in the Cruise Mode, enter a brief description related to your topic in the context section and customize the tone of voice according to your preference. Then, pick a title for your article. You can select from either the titles generated by AI or the top-ranked ones listed on the right panel. You can create a title manually, rephrase an existing one, or generate additional options if necessary. The next step is to build an outline to give your content structure. You can do this by using the Build Outline feature. An automated outline will appear on the left side of your screen, which you can use as is or modify. On the right panel, you can also view top-ranked outlines and questions. The best part, you can customize everything from H2s to H3s, questions, conclusion CTA, etc. You can also write content on your own or generate more content by clicking on AI suggestions. You also have the option of downloading or regenerating the outline if you would like to. Next, in the Writing Points section, review the automated writing points our AI has created for each subhead. Keep the ones you find useful, delete the ones you don't, and feel free to write independently or generate more options from our suggestions. Additionally, you can click Explore Statistics for more ideas. The last step of the Cruise Mode is to check if the first draft aligns with your idea of the content and to track the word count, SEO score, and key terms usage. Once satisfied, all you need to do is export to Editor to add the final touches.